80-20 rule for side hustlers. Earn more with less effort. Tired of working endlessly on your side hustle with little to show for it? What if I told you there's a way to work smarter, not harder, and dramatically increase your earnings? Let's unlock the power of the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto Principle, states that roughly 80% of effects come from 20% of causes. This isn't just some abstract theory, it's a powerful principle that applies to almost every aspect of life, including your side hustle. Think about it, 80% of your sales likely come from 20% of your products or services. 80% of your website traffic probably originates from 20% of your marketing efforts. Identifying this crucial 20% is the key to maximizing the results. Let's get practical. How can you actually use this principle to boost your side hustle income? First, analyze your current activities. Where are you spending most of your time and energy? Track your tasks, projects, and marketing efforts. Then, evaluate the results. Which activities are generating the most revenue, leads, or customer engagement? This data will reveal your high-impact 20%. Once you have data, identify the 20% of your activities that are driving 80% of your results. This might be a specific marketing channel, a particular product offering, or a certain type of client. For example, if you're a freelance writer, you might find that articles on a specific niche generate the most leads. Or, if you sell handmade crafts, a particular product line might be consistently outperforming others. Now comes the crucial part, minimizing or eliminating the low-value 80%. These are the tasks that drain your time and energy without contributing significantly to your bottom line. Consider outsourcing repetitive tasks like social media scheduling or administrative work. Automate processes where possible. Focus your energy on the high-impact activities that truly move the needle. With the low-value tasks out of the way, you can now focus on amplifying your high-impact activities. Invest more time, resources, and energy into the 20% that's already working. If a particular marketing channel is generating great results, increase your investment in that channel. If a specific product is selling well, create more variations or offer related products. Imagine you're a social media manager. You might find that 80% of your engagement comes from 20% of your posts. Analyze those top-performing posts and create more content like them. Or, if you're an online course creator, you might discover that 80% of your course sales come from 20% of your marketing efforts. Focus on those successful strategies and scale them up. The 80-20 rule is a powerful tool for side hustlers looking to maximize their earnings with less effort. It's about working smarter, not harder, by focusing on the activities that generate the most significant results. Now it's your turn. Take some time this week to analyze your side hustle activities. Identify your high-impact 20%, eliminate the low-value 80%, and double down on what works. Share your findings in the comments below and let's help each other grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building a successful side hustle.